Welcome. If you've ever wondered how to save your favorite photos on the Instagram app while using your PC, you're in the right place. In this guide, I'll walk you through the newest and easiest way to save any photo you want so you can revisit your best moments or inspirations anytime. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. If you're not already logged in, enter your credentials and access your account. Once you're in, take a look at the left side menu. Here, you'll see several icons. What you're looking for is your profile icon. Click on it to head straight to your personal profile page. Now that you're on your profile, scroll through your posts and find the photo you want to save. It could be a cherished memory, a stunning landscape, or anything that stands out to you. Once you spot the photo, click on it to open it in full view. Here comes the key step. Just below the photo, you'll notice a save icon. It usually looks like a small bookmark. Click on this icon. Instantly, the photo is saved to your Instagram account, making it easy to find later in your saved collection. This method is quick and keeps your favorite images organized and accessible whenever you need them. If you want to view your saved photos later, simply go back to your profile and look for the saved section. Here, you'll find all the photos you've bookmarked neatly stored for you to browse anytime. Saving photos on Instagram has never been easier thanks to this latest update. Whether you're collecting memories, gathering inspiration, or just want to keep your favorite posts close at hand, these steps have you covered. Thanks for joining me today. Now you know exactly how to save your photos on the Instagram app using your PC. Give it a try and start building your own personal collection of moments and memories.